Are you looking for the best camping stoves of 2022? In this video we will look at some of the best camping stoves of 2022 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Coleman Classic Camping Stove. The Coleman Classic is a straightforward workhorse of a camping stove. While there is nothing fancy or flashy about its design, it has actually this simplicity that is its main highlight. It gives you everything you need, and nothing more, to cook simple camping meals for your family. With only 10,000 BTUs per burner, this 2-burner stove isn't the most powerful on our list, but it is still surprisingly efficient. It boils water reasonably quickly, especially in wind, thanks to its built-in windscreens. Unfortunately, setting the control knob to a low simmer is difficult, but once you do, it simmers with ease. A compact design makes this Coleman propane stove easy to carry. It clocks in at under 10 pounds total. Despite the small carry size, the actual cooktop is fairly large. Plus, the built-in windscreens are adjustable so you can remove them for even more cooking space. All in all, the simple construction makes cleaning and maintenance a cinch. Also notable is the top-quality fuel adapter. Compared to other models we reviewed, fuel bottles screw easily onto the adapter. The lack of auto ignition is an additional negative point to take note of. At number 2. Camp Chef Explorer 2-burner. The Camp Chef Explorer is without question one of the best freestanding camping stoves available in 2022. Thanks to its freestanding design, sturdy construction, and large cooktop, it is an excellent choice for large groups of campers. It is also popular among RV campers that like to bring along an outdoor stove for outdoor cooking. Do note, however, that this Camp Chef stove is a beast. It weighs a hair over 30 pounds with the legs on or just under 20 pounds with the legs removed. Because of its weight, the Explorer 2-burner is probably overkill unless you have a lot of extra room in your vehicle. Powerful burners, each boasting 30,000 BTUs, makes cooking a breeze. It boils water quickly and is easily adjustable to simmer incredibly well, almost on par with a home gas range stove. The big drawback, aside from weight, is relatively poor wind performance. Although we were able to cook in wind, it is definitely a little tricky, especially for simmering. Also notable is a lack of compatibility with the popular 16-ounce propane canisters. You have to use an adapter hose and large propane tank, further adding to overall packed weight. At number 3. Stansport Outfitters Series 3-burner. The Stansport Outfitters Series 3-burner combines some of the best elements of the Coleman Classic with those of the Camp Chef Everest. The 2-burner tabletop stove boasts a simple yet efficient design with a number of special features that take preparing camp meals to the next level. Most notable is the addition of the 3rd burner for even more versatility. The 2 main burners pump out 25,000 BTUs each for superior cooking power. The 3rd burner is smaller and less powerful at 10,000 BTUs. Combine this with excellent flame control to adjust to your desired cooking temperature anywhere from a simmer to a boil. All of this is available in a relatively lightweight, compact package. The Stansport Outfitter is easy to transport, easy to use, and easy to clean. Piezoelectric ignition and built-in windscreens are additional touches. In fact, this is one of the best camping stoves for cooking in wind, period. Luckily, the shortcomings are slim to none. Perhaps the only one to note is a slightly inferior overall build quality compared to our top-rated Camp Chef Everest. Although it is definitely durable enough for camping, it feels noticeably flimsier compared to other more robust models. At number 4. Coleman Butane Instastart. The Coleman Butane Instastart is an affordable camping stove for those on a budget. As a simple, 1-burner stove, the Instastart is notable for its straightforward design, lightweight, and compact size. That said, it is best used strictly for car camping as it is still far too bulky for backpacking. At just 7,650 BTUs, the single-burner isn't exactly powerful, but it does the job. It won't bring water to a boil very fast. It takes roughly 7 minutes to boil a quart of water, but it does have decent temperature for simmering and otherwise cooking on lower temperatures. Better yet, this Coleman stove runs on butane rather than the more popular propane. Although at 1T make a very noticeable difference, butane is slightly more fuel efficient than propane. Where this model doesn't excel is in bad weather. Butane is notoriously inefficient in cold weather. And the lack of a windscreen means this Coleman butane stove performs poorly in windy conditions as well. Winter campers avoid this model. At number 5. Jetboil Genesis Basecamp. The Jetboil Genesis Basecamp combines stellar performance with a compact design. As a folding 2-burner stove, the Basecamp packs a large cooking surface in a readily portable package. Yet, unlike other folding models, we're looking at you Coleman Fold and Go, this doesn't sacrifice anything in the way of performance or ease of use. In fact, this Jetboil stove boils water quickly and simmers efficiently. It's just as easy to clean as it is to use to cook delicious camping meals. The Model S main drawback is its high price tag. It's much more expensive than the other camping stoves on our list, even our top-rated Camp Chef Everest. It also struggles a little in the wind. That said, it is still more than usable, even in fairly heavy wind without a huge drop in fuel efficiency. It utilizes a unique all-around windscreen that helps protect from gusts coming in at all angles.